This is lesson 8-5, factoring ax squared plus bx plus c.
To factor ax squared plus bx plus c, we use a method called the AC method. Here's the procedure for the AC method. Step 1 is to multiply a and c to get AC. In this case, with my example on the right, we're going to multiply 8 times -1 to get -8. Step 2 is to find the factors of AC. Factors of -8 that will add up to what step 3 is, which is choose a pair that adds up to the b term. The factors of -8 that would work in this case are 4 and -2. The next step is I'm going to make my trinomial into a four-termed polynomial. I'm going to separate the b term using my two factors. At that point, I'll have 4 terms. So the b term, which is positive 2x, will become a positive 2x, or positive 4x, and a negative 2x. At this point, I'm going to continue with my factoring by grouping procedure. I'll split the terms in half with 2 on each side, and then I'll use GCF factoring to factor each side, hoping that I get a match in the parentheses. The greatest common factor of 8x squared and 2x is 2x, and when I factor that out, I'm left with 4x minus 1. On the other side, the greatest common factor of 4x and 1 is 1, so I factor out a 1, and I'm left with 4x minus 1. I have a match in my parentheses, so I may continue. At this point, I'm going to write my two binomials from the match and the factors. So I end up with 2x plus 1 and 4x minus 1. Here's some examples for you to try on your own. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try. Let's do the left side first. AC with 12 times -15 would be -180. Finding factors of -180 that add up to positive 11 are -9 and positive 20. I then will split my b term using those two factors. This is a reminder, it does not matter the order that you put the factors in. You certainly could put plus 20x first, as opposed to the -9x. I'll then split it down the middle and use my factoring by grouping procedure. On the left side, my GCF is 3x. When I factor that out, I'm left with 4x minus 3. When I factor out the 5 on the right side, I'm also left with 4x minus 3. Therefore, my two binomials are 3x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. On the right side, my AC is -14. Factors of -14 that add up to -13 are -14 and positive 1. I'll split my b term into those two factors. Now I have 2x squared minus 14x plus x minus 7. Using my factoring by grouping procedure on the left side, my GCF is 2x. On the right side, my GCF is 1. The parentheses match, so I may continue. And I'm left with 2x plus 1 and x minus 7. If you're having any issues in any portion of this lesson, please make sure you are emailing me or consulting me in class.